All right, let's talk about how you can round down in Excel. So here we have some random numbers with decimal places. What we want to do is round these numbers down to whatever decimal place we would like. Now in Excel, you can do this pretty quick and easy. There's a formula or function built into Excel that you can use. So basically, you want to select the cell where you want the rounded down number to be. Then you will type equals, round down, select the number that you're looking to round down, and then hit comma, and then it's going to ask you for the number of digits. So whatever number you put here is what decimal place it's going to go to round down. So for example, if I type 1 here and hit enter, that's going to round down the second decimal, or the 5 in the 4.55. Now instead of manually typing this formula every time for each decimal I'm looking to round down, if I click the cell that I have the formula in the bottom right corner you'll see this little square. If you click that and then you drag this all the way down, that formula will copy. Now let's say that we wanted to change this to 0, as in we wanted this to be a whole number rounded down. So if we hit enter, that's going to round down to 4 rather than to 5. And if we copy this all the way down, we can see that that logic stays true. Now with these two numbers, we'll notice a lot more decimals than these ones. So what we're going to do is for these last two numbers, we want to round this 3 decimals. So we'll go ahead and hit enter, and then we can drag this down, and we can see that this will round all these numbers down. And there you have it. That's how you can round down in Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button. Thank you, and just have such a great rest of your day.